Earlier this week, Microsoft released a new insider build numbered 26220.7523 for the dev and beta channels. This build had a lot of new features and changes packed into it. The reason Microsoft included so many updates in this single build is because they are putting insider builds on hold until January 2026. If you want more detailed information about that build, you can check out the previous video that was mentioned. Why this update matters. The main reason for discussing this latest dev and beta channel build is because Microsoft has included a very important fix in it. This fix is specifically for File Explorer and will be coming to the stable version of Windows 11 in the near future. The File Explorer improvement. Microsoft is now testing a new improvement for File Explorer, which is good news because many people feel that File Explorer in Windows 11 isn't working as well as it should be. What's changing? With this update, File Explorer could significantly reduce RAM usage when you are actively searching for images or other files using the File Explorer search function. Why the change is needed? Microsoft is optimizing the search performance in File Explorer because it has been causing high memory usage in some situations where this is happening. This update is currently being tested in the Insider program through the dev and beta channels. Details from the official changelog. Looking at the changelog and release notes for this build, we can see there's a section called Fixes rolling out gradually. Under the File Explorer fixes, one important update says, made some improvements to File Explorer search performance by eliminating duplicate file indexing operations, which should result in faster searches and reduce system resource usage during file operations. This is quite an important fix. Understanding the technical background. Important point. File Explorer Search doesn't have its own separate index or search engine. Instead, it's built on top of the Windows Search Indexer. What is Windows Search Indexer? If you go into the control panel, you can find the Windows Search Indexer. This is actually a legacy component of the operating system, meaning it's been around for a long time. Important distinction: don't confuse the Windows Search Indexer with the search feature on the taskbar. The Windows Search Indexer is specifically for searches in File Explorer. The problem that existed before, until this change and fix gets rolled out. Here's what was happening. When using File Explorer search, Windows would sometimes end up scanning or processing the same files or folders more than once for indexing purposes. This duplicate indexing process was wasteful. Why this matters? Search indexing can use quite a lot of system resources. In fact, many Windows users actually disable the search indexing service completely because of this. Some people have done this in the past, and there are even videos and guides online about how to disable it to improve system performance. What the fix does. So basically, the fix addresses this duplicate indexing problem. Expected improvements. With this change now rolling out, here's what we can expect. Avoiding duplicates. The Windows Search Indexer will now avoid duplicate file operations, less resource usage. This should result in less system resources being used, reduced RAM usage. At the end of the day, this will automatically reduce RAM usage, better performance. This will boost overall system performance. Looking forward, when this fix rolls out to the stable version of Windows 11, there will be updates and information to keep everyone in the loop. It's nice to see that Microsoft is slowly but surely working on improving File Explorer in Windows 11. As they say, better late than never. These improvements show that Microsoft is listening to user feedback and working to make the Windows 11 experience better. The fact that they're addressing memory usage and search performance issues in File Explorer is a positive step forward for Windows 11 users who rely on this tool daily for managing their files. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.